Alright, so I'm almost done with this kit, but now I'm about to change the filter. Here is the filter that I use to cover this, and it's already used up. This is going to the garbage. Recently, I did a little modification on this. Oh, I've always used the reversible tape to hold up my filters. So I put one here, here, and here. Problem is, though, that when you put the filter on, yeah, it'll stick, but then after time, and of course as it's pulling in, the filter goes all the way in there, and then it doesn't look right, and it only covers up a little bit of the hole that's being filtered. Find that that's kind of stupid. And then recently I did a modification here. I took 4 tacks and I actually super glued them onto them. And then I used the filter to pierce through it to hold it into place, and it worked. But now I've come to the point where I'm out of filters. I have no more filters anymore. I can easily go out online and purchase these filters, but they're expensive. I mean, I think a pack of I think for $10 you get a pack of 5, or is it 5? I think it's like $1 each. I don't know. It's a lot of money because you still have to order it. And the cheapest place I went online was actually on Amazon. But I want to try a different type of filter that I know worked the last time, and this was on the previous spray booth. I'm going to use a what do you call this? An abrasive sanding sponge type thing. This is very thin. You could pretty much pick this up at a dollar store, maybe a pack of 5 for $1. And I'm going to put them right there and hold it into place like so. Just gotta be careful not to get punctured. There we go. Picks it up pretty easy. Nice and done. So now I can continue on painting. I don't know how long this abrasive will hold on as a filter. I know somebody sent me a message that there's other filters you can get at cheaper prices, but right now I'm just going to use this because I need to begin painting. So let me prepare this paint right now. So give me a second. Okay, so I decided to paint some parts here that was not going to show on camera, which basically the lavender color parts, which is this, into this light grayish tone color using 306 gray. It came out okay, very nice, with appreciating. Very few parts in between, but they're done. Just waiting for them to dry. The last color we're going to work on is this MS green. And I got my paint here ready. Test run. Let's try this. Hopefully the appreciating shows pretty well. I mean, this is actually a very, very light paint, but I'm just going to take my time with this. Just give it one pass, a light pass first, and then do another one later on if need be. But the whole purpose is for the appreciate the show. There we go. Shoulder part here. is the chest part here. This. Alright, that's good. And this is that part from the head. Alright, let's grab a couple of more here. Specifically this one and this one. Actually, let's do this one here. That's done. Do the head. Good. Backpack. Ooh, can't forget the shoulders. That looks nice. Alright, we're doing pretty good here. There's a lot more parts that I have to work on. I want to make sure that everything goes down nice and smooth. Just give it a layer, you know, light layer first, then review it. And if I have to do another layer, I'll do it. But I just want to make sure that it shows, you know, once it, you know, I finish painting all these parts, that it shows through, you know, for everyone to see. So let me finish up the remaining parts here. And once it dries, we'll do a final review of this kit. Okay, here are all the parts now fully painted that makes up, of course, the GM Sniper Custom. And wow, a lot of work that I've done here. Very much a lot of work, especially with the green. I was actually kind of worried that the green was going to be a little too light, but when you do the pre-shading, it balances out with a little darkness here and there, and overall I like how it came out in one aspect. But yeah, it came out pretty nice, as you can see here. I'm really digging it. These parts here, this one is the white part of the shield, and these are the white parts of the kit. But the gray parts that I spray paint on this almost coincides with these parts, so they're kind of like both the same. Just one is slightly lighter than the other. And I'm actually contemplating on maybe I should give it another white pass to give it an extra, you know, to separate the contrast. But I kind of like how it came out either or. Maybe it'll look good like that. I did assemble like this bazooka, as you can see here. So, but how it came out with the pre-shading came out a lot better than what it originally intended to be. As a matter of fact, I gotta remove this. Forgot about that. Remove this and stick this one here. And I think I have to put that one here. There we go. That completes the bazooka. I gave it a couple of, you know, two-tone layer tone there, especially around here. You guys seen this before. And hell, I think I still have the old original. This is the bazooka for the Master Grade Gundam 3.0. The part fell off here. I gotta find it, but that's what it looks like with the decals on and all that stuff. And not, of course, not painted, but it looks pretty, you know, pretty cool. You could say it's around the same. I think it's not identical. Actually, no, they are identical. Some slight it feels like a slight variation. Maybe because I just painted it and I'm not realizing it. Regardless of the case, the painting of the bazooka came out pretty good. So as the sniper rifle, the two-tone shade, there's a lighter one shade of gray compared to this one. This one was the Titan's Blue 1, and then this one was the, oh, I put this to the side. Give me a second here. 333 dark, extra dark sea gray. Yeah. So I kind of like this, how it came out. I don't know if you guys can see that in the light. I'll be taking some, you know, detail photographs and posting it on Facebook and Discord so you guys can see this. I kind of like how the pistol came out with this one. That's nice. The double beam spray gun came out okay as well. Just didn't calculate the fact that they're all like this around, and this is the only different color. And I think maybe I should have done was made this two barrels and this here the same color as this. But it's alright. Same holds true for this one, as you could see. So it's like the only different color is this whole barrel right there and this one here. Yeah. Okay. Pretty good. I did a little more detailing, especially on this kit. Painted a little chrome on the vents and on the faceplate and on the knees, so it will show through the filter of the vents as well as the backpack. And of course the thrusters, even though they're this color, I made it chrome on the inside, give it that thruster look to it. The one thing that I did not do, and I will do that later or soon, will be to paint the lights here. So I do have my blue and my red here, but I'm most likely gonna get the acrylic ones and painted because I'm not feeling me putting regular lacquer paste and, you know, dabbing it in there, and I don't know how it'll come out. Let me see what I can do. Clearly I can't spray paint that area there. It's going to be ridiculously stupid for me to do that. Yeah, but the GM Sniper is almost done. And I'm really, you know, there's a lot of parts, yes. Not too much so. This pretty much constitutes the bulk of the parts. There's no other parts left over to the side where you guys need to see later on. But here it is. So let me clear this table up and begin the final assembly of the GM Sniper Custom.